What is a community? We might think of our community as being our village, town, or city. We might even say that our community isn't about geography but includes people with the same interests as us from anywhere across the world. But in Wales we also have a different kind of community, over 800 of them. Many communities have their own town or community council, and some of these councils are made up of multiple communities. Some communities are also made up of community wards. Communities are the building blocks for Wales's electoral wards, the areas for which we elect county councillors. Still with us? Those electoral wards are themselves the building blocks for Wales's parliamentary constituencies, the areas for which we elect MPs. But back to communities. How are they formed? Communities in Wales often have a very long history, and their boundaries are ultimately decided by Wales's local authorities. Communities are based on where people live, and local authorities will occasionally hold community reviews to consider how places change, for example, if a new housing estate has been built. So there you have it. While we all have our own view on what our community is, everyone in Wales can also point to a specific area and say, "That's my community." Want to find out more? Head over to ldbc.gov.wales.